Good morning, students. This is your GK class. And in GK class, this is your chapter 6. As I know that you people have already studied till chapter 5 in the previous class. So today, from chapter 6 to 10, we will study. Okay. Now as you can see, I have written famous landmark. Famous landmark. So these are famous landmarks. What is actually landmarks? Landmarks are the places which help us to recognize any place. To identify any place. जिसे देख के हमें पता चल जाए कि अरे ये तो उस स्टेट का है, उस कंट्री का है, ये स्टैचू वहां पर है. सो दीज आर नोन एज द लैंडमार्क्स. ओके, सो फेमस लैंडमार्क्स. नाउ वन बाय वन वी विल स्टडी अबाउट देम. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल this first one. Look at this first one. It is written Paris, France. The location has been given to you. The place has been given. This structure we find in Paris. So this structure is known as Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. You must have heard this name in some of the movie also. This is Eiffel Tower. Okay. Place is, city name is Paris and the country is France. It is found in France. The next is Rio de Janeiro is the city name and Brazil is the country name. And can you identify the picture? The picture is of Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer. Okay, Christ the Redeemer. The third picture I think you can identify very clearly. Everyone know this picture. Everyone know this picture. This is Unity of Statue of Unity. This is Statue of Unity. Actually, this is the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel that is made in Gujarat in India. Okay, so this is Statue of Unity. Now next is the fourth one. As it is written, China. Jinshanling, China. So as it is already written China, so in our help box there is one thing written, Great Wall of China. You can see Great Wall of China. This is Great Wall of China. Now this is present in Sydney, Australia, and this is Opera House. You can see here Opera House. Okay, and this one, Pisa, Italy. Pisa, Italy. It is the Leaning Tower. As you can see, the tower is a little bit tilted. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है tower. Okay, so this is Leaning Tower of Pisa. This word you can see, Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was present in Pisa, so we call it Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, this is, as in your note, in your book there is always a help box. From there only you will write all the words, all the letters you will copy from help box. Okay, now move to the next chapter, chapter 7. We just have studied the famous landmark. Now we will study the interesting, actually it is very interesting. These are skills of circus. स्किल्स ऑफ सर्कस, कि सर्कस में बहुत सारी चीजें हम देखते हैं ना, उसमें से सम स्किल्स, स्किल मीन how they do it. These are the skills. In the first picture, in this picture, as you can see, there is a rope. There is one rope and people are walking on the rope. ये तो आपने कई बार streets पर भी देखा होगा, that some people walk on the rope. Okay, so they are maintaining balance. They are maintaining balance while walking on the rope. ठीक है, they are maintaining balance and they are walking on the rope. So this is known as tight rope walking. This is known as, this word, as you can see, tight rope walking. Okay, now the second one. Second, it is the tossing of one or many objects such as balls or rings at the same time. Means they are throwing many things together. They are throwing many things together, and it can be the rings, it can be the balls or the sticks. Okay, so they throw many things together and it is known as juggling. This is known as juggling. This word, as you can see, juggling. Now this one, in this act you can see the people are standing on two people, one person is standing on two person. Okay, so what they are doing, artists spin plates. Plates घुमाते हैं, बाउल्स को घुमाते हैं या पोल्स को घुमाते हैं. So these are, this is known as plate spinning. जैसे अभी I said that plates को spin करते हैं, so this is known as plate spinning. Now the next one, fourth. As you can see, in this people are dancing, they are doing gymnastic also. Okay, so this is known as acrobatics. Acrobatics. Now that you must have seen, in the circus people jump from one place and they hold the hand of the other one who's already hanging here. This person is already hanging here. Okay, so this person will hold the hand of that person. Okay, so these artists are called trapeze artists. Trapeze artist, and the act is known as trapeze. That skill is known as trapeze. Now in this act you can see the artists are walking. The artists are walking on the poles. It can be pole, it can be post, it can be pillar also. So they get a little bit height. Okay, थोड़े ऊंचे हो गए ना. So that is known as stilt walking. Okay, that is known as stilt walking. You can see stilt walking, plate spinning, stilt walking. Okay, trapeze, tightrope walking, juggling, acrobatics. Okay, now next chapter. This is the chapter of matching. You need to match. Now longest river. We know Ganga is the only longest river. Okay, you can see it like this. Now it is visible to you. Okay, no. So the longest river is Ganga. Longest road is National Highway 44. Fastest train, it is Vande Bharat Express. Vande Bharat Express. This train is the fastest train in India. Fastest train in India. Okay, it runs at the speed of 180 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यानी 1 घंटे में 180 किलोमीटर कवर कर लेती है ये. But railway department has restricted यानी उन्होंने इन्हें परमिशन दी है सिर्फ 130 किलोमीटर पर आवर जाने की. ओके, नाउ स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट, सबसे छोटा स्टेट. द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट that you can find here in this also. This is our India map. That smallest place, this one where I put the pencil, this is Goa. So Goa is the smallest state. Smallest state is Goa. Largest residence of the head of India. हमारे इंडिया की जो हेड्स होते हैं जैसे कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट, तो उनमें से सबसे बड़ा रेजिडेंस, रहने का जगह किसका है सबसे बड़ा? तो दैट इज राष्ट्रपति भवन. प्रेसिडेंट का जो एस्टेट है दैट इज द लार्जेस्ट वन. लार्जेस्ट, सबसे बड़ा है वो. मोस्ट पॉपुलस सिटी, जहां पर बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, दैट इज मुंबई. Largest desert. Desert, you know, just like in Rajasthan there are so many deserts are there. So Thar is the largest desert. Now highest mountain peak. Highest, सबसे ऊंची माउंटेन की पीक है that is कंचनजंगा. That is कंचनजंगा. Okay. And now this work you have to do. You have to mark Kerala, Mumbai, Goa and Delhi. In chapter 2, ma'am has told you about the map of India. You can take the help from there and I want you to mark all those 4 states in this map. In this map. Okay. As you can see, this dot, that is for the capital of India. This is the capital of India. Okay. And then you have to locate those 4 states. Okay. In that map. I think this is very easy for my class. You can do very well. Okay. Now move to the next chapter, that is our heritage. The monuments of India. Monument means very special buildings or the pillars. Okay, these are the monuments. So now we will start. I think some of them you can identify very easily. The first one, I think this one is not easy for you to identify, but still I will tell you. This is Virupaksh temple in Karnataka. That is Virupaksh temple in Karnataka. Okay. And as you can see, this one, that is very important, lion capital of Ashok, that is present in Uttar Pradesh. Lion capital of Ashok in Uttar Pradesh. This is known as, the third one is Sanchi Stoop. This is known as Sanchi Stoop, that present in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Then your fourth structure, you can see this is red in color, a little bit red in color, but this is not red fort. Okay, this is not red fort. This is हुमायूं's tomb. हुमायूं's tomb मतलब ये हुमायूं ने बनवाया था, and here after the death of Humayun he was buried there. So that is Humayun's tomb. Okay. This one, this is very beautiful. The white structure on the top and the red, or I should say brown color walls are there. Okay, you can see it. It is so nicely displayed. This is Tughalqabad Fort. Tughalqabad Fort. Tughalqabad, that is in Delhi. So Delhi में एक जगह का नाम है तुगलकाबाद. ओके सो ये फोर्ट है, एक तरह का किला है ना, फोर्ट है. सो दिस इज तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट. दिस इज तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट. ओके नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, this one, the sixth one, and this is known as Brihadishwar. Brihadishwar temple. Brihadishwar temple. This is in Tamil Nadu. This is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and here that you can identify very well. These are, see, one, you can see, if you will count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 floors are there. 5 floors are there. So these 5 floors, okay, 5 floors. So this is known as Panch Mahal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 है ना? Panch Mahal. This is known as Panch Mahal. ठीक है, Panch Mahal. And this one तो everyone can recognize. See this beautiful picture. This is known as Red Fort. You can see our flag also. This is Red Fort. That is in Delhi. And this is one of the 7 wonders. One of the 7 wonders. This is our Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal present in Uttar Pradesh. Agra in Uttar Pradesh. So these are all the monuments in our India. Okay. Now the last one. You can see beautiful dances are there. Beautiful dances. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Gujarat, Kerala, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Manipur, Assam. And the answers are there at the bottom. Punjab, everyone know this. Punjab, what they are doing? They are doing Bhangra, right? They are doing Bhangra. This is Uttar Pradesh dance. Uttar Pradesh dance. And they are doing Kathak. She is doing Kathak. Okay? Kathak, Bhangra. And गुजरात में क्या होता है? The very important डांडिया भी होते हैं, है ना? But this is गरबा. गरबा खेल रहे हैं. गरबा. Okay? गरबा. गुजरात गरबा. Now here it is Kerala. What is he doing? This is Kathakali dance. This is Kathakali dance. That was Kathak. Okay, and this is Kathakali. Kathakali. Kerala, Kathakali. Odisha. Odisha. And the dance name is Odissi. You can see Odissi. Odissi dance. She is doing Odissi. Now in Tamil Nadu, what is she doing? In Tamil Nadu, she is doing Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam in Tamil Nadu. Manipur dance. Dance in Manipur, it is known as Manipuri. Simple. Manipur, Manipuri. The dance name is Manipuri. Okay. And the last, Assam. The last Assam, they are doing Bihu dance. They are doing Bihu dance. Bihu. Bihu dance. Okay. So this is our dances of India. See, so beautiful they are wearing the dresses, and we can identify these dresses with the help of the postures, how they are doing. So these are the dances. Okay. I hope the point is clear, and I want you to do all the pages in your book, but please write the spellings from the help box given below. Don't write wrong spellings and do the work in good handwriting. Okay? Thank you.